everyone, welcome to Sandra Sensations. Thanks for joining me. I'm going to be doing a Dutch pour tonight. I've got a couple of colors that were requested by a friend, so I'm going to give it a whirl. She wants yellow, she wants the silver that I have mixed up with my mixing medium, which is this one here, Pearl Essence mixing medium done by Sargent's Art. Best stuff to use with any of your acrylic paint. I use 50% of this and 50% of an acrylic paint in a bottle this size. This is about a 7 or an 8 ounce bottle. So half acrylic, half the mixing medium, a little bit of water to make my consistency the way I want, and away I go. So that's the quick and easiest way to do a paint pour. I've got a 16 by 20 canvas in front of me. Sorry, I forgot to mention I'm also doing a little bit of black and some dioxazine purple. Just going to blow the bubbles out in this white that I just put down. And I see a little bit of something in my paint. Just a little bit of a dry piece it looks like. Did I get it? Yep. Okay. Now, if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And everybody that keeps coming back, you know how much I appreciate it. I say it in all my videos. Keep the comments coming, the thumbs up. It really does make my day when I get in from work, come in and do a painting, and then I go and check my YouTube to check for comments and stuff. Love reading them all. So please keep it coming. Let me show you a quick couple paintings that are dry. The flower painting, puddle pour, swipe I did is now dry, looking beautiful. And my moonbeam right here. This one was a special request. It's all dry as well. Still curing, but I can show you a close-up as well. There we go. Look at those lines that I did in there. The paint just looks so cool. And the camera doesn't do it justice. There's a lot of shimmer in here as well. The camera just doesn't pick it up. I'll put that there. Now all the tools you're going to see me use, I get most of my stuff from Amazon. My paints, my bottles, my butane torch, my mixing medium, and my favorite of all, my cordless air compressor. Perfect for when you're doing a Dutch pour to get some of those edges that you miss. All of that, the links are in the description below. If you click the link for Amazon and do a little bit of shopping, I will get a tiny commission on a gift card to replenish some of my stock. So if you feel like shopping, getting yourself anything to do a paint pour, please hit one of my links. It would be much appreciated. Okay, let's start doing this. I'm going to do first the purple, dioxazine purple. Now this one's made by Liquitex, and it is a really nice purple. Now because I'm doing the 16 by 20, I'm definitely going across the center because we got a lot of space to cover here. And then I'm going to put down my silver. Then I'm going to do some yellow. I think I'm going to go across all of these lines, both silver and the purple. Yellow is not something I usually do, but as a special request, I'm doing it. And then I'm going to do black. I'm going to do black right across the center of all three colors. Okay. Let's give this a little bit of a blowout and see how it does. I'm going to do a little bit of a flood or a pillow effect along the edge here. Help with the paint flow. I'm going to do it on both sides. Okay, now we're going to make some noise with the blow dryer. Bear with me here. Now I'm just going to blow the white over this way a little bit and then on this side and let it sit for a second. The black has a little bit of silicone in it. Not very much. I think it's 2 drops in that whole bottle. So we'll see if that helps. Just going to give it a second. I can see a couple of cells popping up there, so there is some silicone in there. Okay, let's blow this out and see how it turns out. Okay, I'm going to stop right there. Don't want to muddy it up too much. Just going to grab my little torch and get some of these bubbles out. See what's happening with the cells, which they're popping up like crazy here. Let that sit for a sec. Now I'm going to take my air compressor. Airbrush. It's not really a compressor, but I call it a compressor all the time. My airbrush, cordless. I'm going to blow out some of these edges here. Might be adding some purple in there, we'll see. Okay, I'm going to stop for a second, just see where do I want to add some color. Because you never have to be completely done now. You can still add color. And I definitely think I need purple. I'm going to add some here. A little bit here. Definitely some here. Let's add a dab there. Okay, let me just blow that out quickly. There we go. Okay. Did I get all the spots I put in there? I think I did. Let's give it another quick little torch. Love all the cells that are popping up. Feel like I need to cover up a little blooper there, and a little blooper right there. Blow that out. There we go. Ooh, I love that one right there. Yellow and purple together. Alrighty. I'm pretty happy with that. That's got lots of color to it. There's one spot right there I'm not crazy about because the gray blew over. I'm being picky, I know. There we go, fixed it. Alrighty, so there's a quick Dutch pour in purples, yellow, silver, and black. Turned out awesome. Can't wait to see this one dry. There we go. Thanks very much for watching, everybody. Make sure you stick around and watch the next video. Guaranteed Greg will put one up. It'll be popping up any second, probably in the center. That's usually where he's doing it. Stick around and watch another video. Make sure you hit subscribe. Thanks, everyone.